Hi, Phil again. So we've shown you the outside and now we're going to show you the inside. So again, what I've said, HD video, you can stop, start, you can do whatever you like with this. A real good look. Gives you an insight in what the car is. Car's not been serviced at the moment, but will be serviced. Okay? So, driver's side door card. So we have electric windows, electric door mirrors, and we have central locking. Really nice spec. You have leather-bound steering wheel. You also have leather-bound handbrake. And the best bit is, look at this. It's got heated seats in it, which is very rare. Not seen that quite often. But there's your CD player, radio. You've got your 12-volt supply. You've also got your tyre pressure sensor as well. That's nice. 5-speed gearbox, as you can see. You've got mats with it, all the mats. Bolsters are all lovely, as you can see. The rear. The car's clean because this is how it literally turned up, but it does need detailing. So there are parts in the car that I'm not happy with. So they will be detailed. So, look at this. Spare wheel's never been on. Jack's never been used. How nice is that? And parcel shelf. I know it sounds daft, but a lot of cars don't come with parcel shelf because the customers forget to put them back in the car. There you go. Passenger side door card. And dashboard. This is the best bit about the car. So if you see here, we have 2 keys with it. It's also had a service schedule with Skoda, which we have all the relevant bills and maintenance stuff there. Has an engineer's report on it, the logbook and some DVLA stuff, and you've also got all the manuals there. So that's really nice to see. It just tells you what type of car it is or how it's been looked after. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, please give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Please give us a thumbs up, give us some comments, subscribe to the channel. Come on, I need some help. Anyway, hope to hear from you soon. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.